Hey, what is up YouTube? Welcome back to the Custom Adventurous. And welcome back to TikTok Tech Busters. Today we are exposing Magic John screen protectors. Let's do it. Hello everyone, my name is Ben, and in this series we expose all the viral tech we find on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, all of the short form content that goes viral. A lot of times people try to jack the prices on these products because they are viral and profit off of you guys, and so I'll be getting you the best prices you can find on the market. Be sure to comment down below other viral products you'd like me to expose, and we can see if they are a bust or if they are a dub. Make sure to subscribe for more content just like this. All right, so here's the deal with these videos. They're separated into 3 sections. First, we review all of the viral videos. Then we show where to buy it and where not to buy it, where you can get the very best prices. Third part is we go over the actual review of the product, see if it's actually worth it or not, if it's a bust or a dub. So Magic John himself is blowing up on TikTok. I've seen many videos with over 20 million views, so many likes, and this guy is blowing up. So let's check out some of the videos that are blowing up. All right, so now I'm on TikTok right now. I just searched up Magic John, and something that is really interesting is there is a ton of Magic John accounts already. Pretty sure kind of how it works is there's one real Magic John, there's a bunch of fake Magic Johns. They all sell the exact same product. Like, I don't even know which one's real.
$8. $8. $8. $8. For $8, that does nothing. Even with all the dust on the phone, all you need to do is put it on top, pull the dust removing tape, it removes all the dust, swipe and peel. No dust,
pretty
no
slick.
air bubbles, less than 15 seconds. Hydrophobic, electroplated, oleophobic layer.
So it's comparing the $8 screen protectors, and it says that it's way better. But we will actually see. Okay, let's see what else we have.
$8. $8. $8.
So this video has 850,000 likes with 29 million views. This one has 70 million views with 2.6 million likes.
Pull the dust removing tape, it removes all the dust, swipe, peel. Now as you can see, no dust, no air bubbles, less than 15 seconds. And even after drilling on it.
Oh no. So Magic John has gone really viral, but it looks like he makes a ton of videos. DK official shop right here. So this guy does not look like the real Magic John right here. Looks like this one's fake. Magic John MJ. Okay, that one's fake. Lots of people selling the Magic John screen protector. This is magicjohn.com, which I assume is the official one, no idea. This is a Shopify store. Doesn't always mean they're a dropshipper, but a lot of times it does indicate dropshipping. So this account looks like it says 4K HD, whatever the heck that means. Sounds like a bunch of BS to me. Okay, looks like we got around $22. It looks like it says $7. Then it says 14, and then you do have to pay for shipping as well. So it does come out to be around $17. Looks like $19.99. Okay, so it looks like it's a little bit cheaper on TikTok Shop. You have to pay for shipping as well. Ooh, Magic John screen protector on Temu as well. Or a 4-pack for $10. So just a little bit cheaper. AliExpress, it looks like we don't have any of the actual Magic John screen protectors, but it looks like we do have fake ones. Right in front of me, I have the Magic John screen protector. And I have a normal screen protector. I'll be putting both on, and I wanna see which one I can put on easier when there's dust on the screen. See which one we can put on faster, just because that's one of their big things that they show in the videos. Not exactly sure where to find artificial dust. This is dust from the top of the desk over there. Okay, ready, get set, go. Here we go. Got the thing on, here's the top, and it says pull here. Okay, pull here, go like this, go like this. Okay, and then go like this. Looks like we did get a bubble. Push it out to the side. The screen protector looks pretty good. Anyways, so this is the Magic John screen protector, all right? That's how fast we put it on. Looks like we have a little black line around the screen protector. Okay, now I want to put on a normal screen protector. This is one from Insignia that I got from Best Buy. Pretty budget friendly. we just have this thing, and we'll see the actual time difference that it takes. Okay, ready, get set, go. Do not flush. Okay. Oh, dang it. Dang, it looks like Magic John's actually winning on this. Pretty good, pretty good. Has some little micro bubbles, which I don't know why. So it looks like Magic John won on the installation, okay? We have the Insignia one and we have the basic one. All right, here we go. Now, they feature a drill drilling into the glass, which is basically the same thing, it's just metal. Obviously, we have our knife here, it does not scratch a thing. So, this is the exact same with all of the other screen protectors as well. No scratches, imagine that. No scratches, nothing. Next thing he tests is the water. A water bottle. Oh. Looks like the oleophobic coating works on the Magic John. This is the Insignia one from Best Buy. The exact same thing. Same oleophobic coating. All right, now we have my Amazon one. Looks like pretty much the exact same thing. All right, so now we're outside and we're gonna do the thing where we smack the screen protectors on the pole to see if it breaks it or not. And then after, if they survive, we'll do the bend test. This is the cheap one from Amazon. Oh. It broke. All right. This is the Insignia one from Best Buy. Did not break. Now here's the Magic John one. Okay, did not break. Now we're gonna do the bend test to see if they bend. This one. Oh, what the? Has little film in the middle. Okay, it's not breaking. All right, let's try the Magic John one. Interesting. Same thing, it has a little film. Not breaking. Screen protector review.
Curious.
Yeah, of course. Okay, now we're gonna see how far we can bend them until they break. In the video, he shows them breaking. The one from Best Buy first. Okay. That was crazy. It completely shattered. And now for the Magic John one. Here we go. Ready? Oh, it's not breaking. So about the same deal. Oh my gosh, completely shattered. All right, guess now we know. That was crazy. Here is the aftermath. This is our Magic John. All right, so what I could tell from this testing right here, I would like to include other brands as well. This is just 3. I'm sure there's other ones like Zag, and you have other brands that make really good screen protectors as well. They're a little more expensive, but I'd like to see how they compare to this one. So if you want to see a video like that, comment down below. In my opinion, I think that Magic John is not a bad deal. Like, it is a little more expensive, but it is really convenient the way you put it on. And it does take off the dust pretty well. And frankly, compared to like the other ways where it has a little guider, the guider is great, but it's not quite as good. And so this was the more expensive screen protector, and it stayed a little better than this one did, which was very impressive. And so these ones cost about the same, but the Magic John one was a lot easier to install. So honestly, if you can buy the Magic John one from the Magic John source, honestly, I think it's a pretty good deal for what you get. So frankly, I was not expecting this. I was honestly coming into this ready to annihilate Magic John for being crappy. But now I'm on Team Magic John, frankly. This is very impressive. I mean, their selling points are pretty fake. That's pretty universal, but like it was a little bit more shatter resistant, and it was just easier to install. And so like those are 2 small differences, but frankly, like what else could you add to a screen protector that would make it that much better? And anyways, the Magic John screen protector in my book is a dub. Should you buy it? Go for it. Anyways, thank you all so much for watching this video. If you'd like to check out more videos like this or have other products you want me to check out, if they're a bust or they're a dub, leave it in the comments. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and peace.